Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rohit, and in this video I'm going to talk about that database view. What is the database view and why we need the database view? In this video we are going to discuss that. In our previous video we actually created the matrix instances and matrix definition. Using the matrix definition we are able to report that for which incident how much use or how much time we are spending. So that detail we already discussed here. So let's say that in the reporting I want to know the configuration item. So problem, under this problem there should be a CI so that I can do more digging and I can find out that what should be the CI name or what is the CI name I want to know. So there is no such options to do that. I cannot do to this record. So let's say that under this I'm going to select a database called server 1. I want to report that what is the configuration item, so I cannot report based on this configuration item. So this configuration item I want to show under my report, I can't show, because basically if I go here and then select multi-pivot, go to the next, and under this select I cannot go and do dot work further and find out that what is the configuration item for that. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to create a database view. Okay, so what is the database view? So database view is a special type of mechanism that can help us to merge two tables or create two tables. Okay, what does it mean by that? So we have a table called matrix instance that store all these informations like definition, table, field, ID, duration. So this is a table that stores this information, and there is another table called problem table, we know. So these two tables we can merge and then we can find out the data. Okay, so let's first do that. For that what we'll do, we'll go here and then type that database view in the left navigation and then open a you can see this is the application which will be show. You just need to open that and then you need to create a new database view. So database view is like a SQL we call the view, right, which is nothing but a it's not a table, but it can join multiple tables together. Okay, so for example I will put that called problem matrix, and you can see the moment we put that it comes under u underscore problem matrix, which is nothing but it's creating a table. We'll save that. So our first table, or you can say the first database view is created. Now we need to be defined under here which all table we want to join. So first table is that our case is that matrix instance, and another table is the problem table. So you can, depending on your requirement, you can join each other. So first I'll click new, and then what is the first table? I'm putting that first table equal to problem, and what is the prefix? The prefix may be PRB, or prefix is nothing but we can call these fields or we can call these tables for the timing. So we'll put that prefix and order is 100 and click submit. So what will be happen? It will give me or if I click try it, it will give me all this problem record right now. So these all are problem record right now. 27 problem record are created. Now what is the another table? The another table is that matrix instance. This table is a big table, so we don't need all this data, because this table will have maybe if I go back and open this table, so you can see 83 record, but actually in your system will have more data. Okay, so this table maybe have more data. So what we need the record which you can see this table stored this problem instances, incident instances, all these details. So we need the record which are related to a problem. Okay, so for that we are going to do something. So what we'll do, we'll go here under this view table. The first record is created under order 100. This is a database view called problem matrix. Under this we have already one table we created called problem. The another table is called matrix instances. We are going to select that. The second table name will be matrix instance. Okay, and this order should be 200, and variable may be empty. I put that variable equal to empty. Now I don't need all this data. So if I click submit, what will be happen? So we have two tables, problem and matrix instance. If we try it, that you can see right now there is no data. We need to do some clause, or we need to do something based on that two table can be joined. Okay, so what is the clause? The clause should be under this where clause. We are going to put that call. First thing is that, so our variable prefix is empty. We'll put that empty, and then to whom I should match. So we should match with call matrix ID. So this ID should be matched with our problem. So this is our clause. So we'll put that empty underscore ID equal to what is the problem. So this is the problem. So we'll put that PRB underscore sys underscore ID. So you can see that when we are calling that problem table, so we are using the PRB. So this under this variable variable prefix, and any field we have to put that we can do that underscore. So for example, I want to match with matrix ID with problem sys ID. So because matrix ID and problem sys ID are holding the same data, you can see. So that we are going to do that. So we'll click and save that and click try it, and you can see some data we are seeing. Okay, so we are now, you can see the table name called U problem matrix. This is holding some data. Now what we'll do, we'll just click here and put number field and click OK, and we can see the problem number. We can see the assigned to any field which is started or which is coming from the problem started with PRB. You can see the PRB underscore number, PRB underscore actives, all are coming from PRB. Similarly, we can get any data from instance, matrix instance, that will become under MTR. So let's put that. So we'll put here called duration field. So you can see that any field which is coming from these instances will come call empty underscore. Okay, all right. So now we can see that duration also. So let's say that our problem, this one 4002, there are a couple of entry, right? So this will do and matching with 4002. So you can see that it has been assigned this many user. I mean, this is the assigned to field under problem, but we want to find out that value. So we'll go and then put that value. So value will have this who actually have this user. So you can see these all are user, right? So problem coordinator A, problem coordinator B. So they basically got assigned multiple times. So this is how we can report. Now instead of reporting this one, so what we'll do, instead of reporting this one under this table, we are going to select that new table or new database view that we have created. Our new database view called matrices. So we'll select that matrix. This is when we created a database view, it create a looks like a table. Here we'll say that definition is assigned to duration. We'll set that. And run. So we just need to be select the row and column. So we are going to select that column equal to value, and row at that moment we are going to select that number and run. Alright, so we can see the similar result. Here it's working. So we need to be aggregations on the sum, and here we are going to select that instead of business duration, we'll go and select the duration. You can see empty underscore duration, that field we are going to select, and then run. And now it's coming similar type of record, you can see. So these all are coming properly, right? We can exclude that call completed true only we need, and then run that. So those data is right now showing properly. Now what we have to do, let's say that I want to show further, so we can just select. Now previously we are not able to select anything from the problem, but we can show. Let's say I want to show the CI, so we'll say that CI configuration item. We can select that configuration item, click OK, and then run. Now we can see for database 1 there is a 1 record. So this way you can, you can dot work any of this field. Instead of problem number or instead of this number, you can do one thing. You can go here, put that, and then run that. What will be happen? Under this database 1 CI, there is a one problem, which problem quantity user spend 1 minute and problem quantity spend 4 minutes. So this way you can create a database view, join two table, and then do further reporting. For problem 4001, there is no CI defined. That's the reason it is empty. So basically, I can now dot work any of these tables, or I can basically dot work any of these problem fields. So if you create a database view. So that's it for today. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.